In this video, I am going to show you how to install Yacine TV on your smart TV. First, ensure that your smart TV is connected to the internet. Depending on your TV brand, the installation process may vary slightly. Start by opening the App Store on your smart TV. This could be the Google Play Store, Samsung Smart Hub, or another app store, depending on your TV model. Use the search function to look for Yacine TV. If you find the Yacine TV app, select it and click the Install or Download button to begin the installation process. Once the app is installed, you can find it in your app list or home screen. If Yacine TV is not available in your app store, you may need to use an alternative method, such as sideloading the app. To do this, you will need to enable installation from unknown sources in your TV settings. Next, download the Yacine TV APK file from a trusted source onto a USB drive. Insert the USB drive into your smart TV and use a file manager app to locate the APK file. Select the file and follow the prompts to install Yacine TV. After installation, open the Yacine TV app and you can start enjoying your favorite content. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.